So I'm here talking with Kitty the workshop cat after her latest kill. In the yard, across the workshop over there. Kitty, have you got anything to tell us about this kill? Kitty? Kitty? There's some blood on your foot there. What's that from, Kitty? Are you feeling a bit aggressive? Kitty, would you like to say something? Cat, talk. Oh, your breath smells a bit birdy. You've got blood everywhere. I hope you're going to clean that up. All right, well, there you go, folks. You've heard from Kitty. So I just spoken off camera, confidentially with Kitty. Well, confidentially, just off camera, really. She said she's receiving a bit of flack from the avian community. I'm not sure if they're allowed to call them avians anymore. Maybe just birds. We've got to be inclusive and I guess non-racist or bigoted. So yeah, she's reflecting on what she did, and she's a bit disappointed it took her so long to fucking kill that bird, and the rest of them you better watch out. So yeah, she's coming for you.